Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy Vussy Magz back here with another one. And listen, man, today we're back with a NAS100 video, but this one it's not gonna be your typical video where I just analyze the markets and we talk about what's actually gonna happen or whatever. This one I'm actually gonna show you how to update your analysis, right? So if you analyze the market until this such a point, this video will help you like figure out the next step after that setup is played out or whatever, so you can follow through with the current market structure and stuff like that, right? So let's go into it. Alright, so before we actually proceed with the analysis video today, I actually want to talk about how we're so close to 10k, fam. So listen, man, everybody that's watching this, help the boy reach 10k. Alright, if y'all help me reach 10k, I promise you I'm gonna make the best content y'all ever seen. You feel me? So go smash the subscribe, like, and comment. Click the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on the future drops. You feel me? Alright, so if you watched the previous video, you know how I forgot one key aspect of the whole point of that video was to show you the current setup that I have running, but I actually didn't like go into detail about the PC I'm using to trade and so forth, right? So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys the setup that I have before we actually go into that, right? So this right here is a MacBook Air. I went and picked this baby up because, like I said in the other video, man, the Windows was becoming too slow for me. It was becoming too slow. So this baby right here, listen, even you don't gotta go for like the latest generation or whatever. If you wanna bump up your spec in terms of like your trading system or whatever, you can go for a MacBook Air if you don't mind, paying that little extra. But you don't even have to go for the latest generation or stuff like that. Any MacBook or Apple laptop, trust me, fam, the performance and everything. I just like to analyze my charts and not have to wait to open a trade and stuff like that, because these are genuine things I went through with or dealt with when I was using the Windows PC. Alright, so let's go to the analysis. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna look at the NAS100 today on the daily time frame. Move myself to the I'll move myself here, then it's all good, right? So the structure, as you can see, has been violated. We analyze on the daily time frame with high, swing low, swing high, swing low, higher, swing high. Now you feel me? So this trend line that I had there, I anticipated a rejection there, but it really didn't play out like that. You feel me? It didn't really play out like that. And if we just go to the H4 time frame, we can see that even my trend lines now are not as really helpful as the other ones, right? So I'm just gonna remove all of this, because you gotta actually look at where you last analyzed the charts, and if it doesn't tell you anything, because all those trend lines were here and the price is actually up there. So if none of those things show you anything about what's going on with the current price, then you should delete them, So we're gonna go back to the daily. Remember, I would prefer if you all start your analysis from the daily time frame, though. You get me? So on the daily time frame, I'm just gonna compress the chart a little bit so we can adjust this trend line actually from where it started. You understand what I'm saying? So this boxes, we're gonna delete them because basically we don't really need them like that. So where did this one start? Did it start here? Yeah. Okay, so this trend line started there. As you can see, this was on the July 2020 on the 29th, and then make contact here. So these boxes, we can just move them now. All right, come on, we're trying to move these boxes. This trend line, like I said, guys, this trend line, we already broke the structure, so I don't think we need this trend line anymore like that. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm trying to move these things, but hey, prefer to trading view, ne? Just delete. It's fine. Let's just delete. You get me? And because it's the month end, we actually have the month end special on the VIP signals. Go to my Telegram link if you want to find out more about that. It's on the Telegram link. Just click the first comment that's pinned, and then you can redeem the month end special. You feel me? So now we used to have a trend line there, right? we used to have a trend line there going like this, but the price broke it. So we need to find another place where we can anchor a trend line at the top, if we can. That's the keyword, if we can. And automatically when I'm looking at this, I'm seeing a high there. You get me? But it's already not communicating with this one. If I can show you just like this, let's just put it like this, and you see that if we anchor it to the current price, it's nowhere next to the current price. So this high, to begin with, that's not the high that we should be using anyways. So we're gonna delete this one, right? And then we're gonna move to the right. When we move to the right now, we're gonna draw a trend line on the next high, next swing high, join it with this one, and at least we have something that looks like this. So I want to check the accuracy of this channel, right? I want to check the accuracy of this channel by adding another NAS100. I know it looks like I'm crazy, but I actually know what I'm doing. If you just follow me, you'll see what I'm talking about, fam.
Okay.
The dry one, right? And then we want to find I want to find, is it the regression one or parallel channel? Yeah, the parallel channel. You get me? So I'm gonna draw it like this. To see if we can actually communicate with this one. Right? So now this is our parallel channel, and then if we actually go to the other one we just analyze now, we can see that we have a similar theme going on. So I know this is the right thing I'm supposed to be doing. I was just using this one as a confirmation tool to see how accurate this channel is, because it was a freehand one versus the other one that we just did. You get me? So now let's look at what's going on, because now we already know what's going on with the highs and the lows and stuff like that. We know we're in a channel, and then we know we had this high right there, and then the trend line actually started there, right? So we can expect something to happen. We can expect something to happen in this zone there, right? And then if it helps, you can even put a ray, horizontal ray, just so you know the zone is highlighted. So we're gonna put it like this. So probably NAS will reach this zone here, 15217, 15,200 zone. Let's just put it like that. So now that we know what's going on and we highlighted the highs and the lows, you can highlight all the previous lows if you want to, but you don't really have to. And I don't want to keep this video too long. I want to go straight to the point with this one. You get me? So now that we've done that, we're going to a lower time frame, because you can see we have this one and this one also. You just do that on your own charts. So we're going to go to the H4 time frame. We're going to go to the H4 time frame. We're going to look at the structure that we have already. We have this trend line like this. You get? So we're just going to move it to the current price, because the trend line is still valid. You see? So in any way, the price, even if the price starts dropping, don't panic, because we still have this trend line to clear in the short term. So basically what you need to trade the NAS100, you're going to wait for the price to at least rebound and come somewhere down here, right? And when it comes to somewhere down here, you know what's going to happen. You know that the price is going to start shooting up. And I don't know if I can put an arrow. Yes, I think I can put an arrow. So, but we don't have a thing almost. We don't have a, yeah. But you can see basically what I'm trying to show to you also. Have this trend line in place, and then once you get that opportunity, just enter and hold. When you're holding with the idea that the price is gonna eventually get to this zone right here, which is at the top. This zone somewhere here, which is 15,200 or 15,100. Somewhere there the price is gonna get there, but what you can do now is to just wait for a retracement first before you can enter. Once you get the trend line, go to your H4 and then draw the uptrend that is within there. You get me? And only after a rejection should you enter. If you want to find out more about rejections, you can look at the previous candlesticks, or I can make a video if you guys want me to do it. All right. Alright fam, so basically that's all I got for you guys today. I didn't want to keep the video too long, and remember I said we're on the road to 10k, so go and subscribe. And if you're watching to this far, I appreciate you for watching. The month end special is on, right? It's on for signals and stuff like that. Just click the link, or the first link, the pinned link, which is the link to the free Telegram channel, and we're gonna get to work. You feel me? Otherwise, it's your boy Vussy Magz. I'm out here, man. Peace out.